Alright, first things first, y'all. Do we like my hair or does it look really weird? Tried to add these little, cute pieces in the front, but they real short. So I don't know if this is like a cute milkmaid look or I look like I just have weird tentacles on the side. Well, it's like this for now, so deal with it. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first video you're watching. Welcome. So for this week's video, I thought I would show y'all how I rearranged and decorated our spare bedroom to become my YouTubing room. So this whole endeavor started because Steven and I have been dreaming of buying a house. It's not a realistic goal right now, but it's fun to dream. So we've been looking at a lot of floor plans, and whenever I look at the floor plan, I kind of look at all the bedrooms and I see which one I'm gonna make my YouTube room. I've been picturing like where my desk is gonna go and where I'm gonna have my lights set up and my tripod and what the background of the video is gonna look like. I even found a little mock-up room tool online, so I made like a little floor plan of what my YouTube room would look like. It's fun to dream, let me tell you. Oh, hey Chai. Gonna come sit and be in the background of my video? I know you want to sit on my computer, but you can't do that. But then it occurred to me, I don't have to wait to buy a house to have my own YouTube room. We have a spare bedroom here I can transform. Now, I can't make it totally my own space because it is our second bedroom. We have Steven's bed and his old desk, and we have friends spend the night all the time, and our parents come visit us quite often and stay in here. But I figured I could at least rearrange this room and decorate this wall and make it a more permanent filming space for me. Earl, are you coming in the video too? Come on. There's the squirrel. Everybody wants to be in the YouTube room. And the whole reason I wanted my own YouTubing room is so I could have a more permanent setup. Right now, I'm either using the windowsill as my tripod and the sunlight outside as my lighting, which isn't the most consistent because I live in Florida and it rains sporadically all the time. Or I'm having to build up my lights and tripod and move them to wherever I want to film, and then after break them down and store them away. So hopefully having my own permanent filming space will save me a lot of time when I want to film just like a quick intro or outro like I'm doing right now. Chai, are you... Oh my god, Chai. Chai, are you... Where did you go? You're not on the... You're not... Oh my goodness. Chai! Are you between the bed and the windowsill? If you hear weird noises in the background, it's just my cat eating the blinds. So the first step in transforming this room was to clean it out. So this room lately has been kind of a dumping ground for random stuff. There's lots of random Amazon boxes, and I like to keep some of these to use as like drawer organizers or little Marie Kondo boxes. Oh my god, Earl! I also find a lot of socks and other random clothing items that our friends accidentally leave behind. Oh, whose blue t-shirt is this? There's a dark blue navy v-neck t-shirt.
I don't know, probably not.
Steven also has a lot of like Disney memorabilia scattered about, and whenever I found some, I just threw it in his little drawer organizer. It's currently packed to the gills with Disney stuff. You have Oswald in here.
Oswald?
Did you draw Oswald?
Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do when I was Eco.
Aww.
Ah, there's a dead cockroach in here.
Aw, there's a Christmas card from your mom. From 2014.
Oh wow.
Then I reorganized the closet to better fit all the stuff we store in there. This closet holds a lot of extra blankets for the bed, some extra clothes of mine, random Halloween costumes that I've made over the years, etc., etc. It also holds our Christmas decorations, and I wanted to get an idea of the space I would need in the closet for Christmas boxes. So I decided it was time to take down some of Christmas. Not all of Christmas. We still have our tree up. It's currently January 22nd and our tree's still going. But I had to take down my beloved Christmas tree farm and some other Christmas knickknacks. Then I made Steven move the bed into the corner, and it opened up a whole bunch of space. Next, I set up my tripod and lights and sat in front of the bed so I could get like a frame of reference for my videos. I even marked the walls so that when I was hanging stuff on the wall, it wouldn't go out of frame. I realize this is a little silly because I won't set up my tripod and camera exactly in the same position every time, but you know, I thought this was a good enough estimation. I swear, half this video is just me sitting in front of a camera trying to determine if the background is acceptable. Then I went shopping. At first, I looked for items that matched my inspiration photos. I have a whole board on Pinterest of just YouTube background ideas, and oddly enough, a lot of them are pictures of dorm rooms. Go figure. But ultimately, I just ended up buying whatever Marshalls had that I thought was cute, so. Okay, here is what we're working with. I got this shelf for $20. This little sign was 6 doll hairs. This painting was on clearance for $12, and this painting was 8 doll hairs. So all 4 of these things were from Marshalls. I got them today. I guess I'm having a plant themed wall. All of this I have had and just haven't hung up. I believe this is all from Michael's. So I already had a shelf, but then I really liked this shelf, so here we are. This gold grid is from Target. I've had it for 5 ever, but never hung it up. And then I just have some like thank you cards and a picture. Aww, that's me and my friends Laurel and Morgan. So I thought I could hang it up there. And then this random pumpkin I found. So yeah, let's assemble. Avengers assemble. I'm thinking I probably need to actually screw this into the wall and not just nail it. So that's a fun endeavor. Wow. So glad the shelf came with literally no instruction. Stylish and functional. Can hold 10 pounds. Okay, so I realized the shelf probably didn't come with instructions because they just assume you know how to hang a shelf. And I mean, I guess I do because I hung it up and it's still standing. Hasn't brought the wall down yet. But like, if that was an IKEA shelf, it would have come with instructions. All right, you know the drill. I hate myself. Oh, it needs a bit. I was trying to do a bit, but look, there's no drill bit. I'm so funny. All right, I think we found some winning screws. They did not come from the mason jar of screws. They came from the pill bottle of screws. I think that looks pretty cute. Whoa. Okay, so this one came with like all these pieces, like a screw and this plastic thingy and then this hook thingy. So at least like this grid came with its own hardware, but it came with 0 instructions on how to assemble it. So I'm gonna have to YouTube this. Okay, I literally watched like 20 seconds of a YouTube video on how to install these little drywall brackets, so see how that goes. Yeah, it didn't go. I chose to just ignore those little drywall bracket things. Decided it was too much work. I like how the grid from Target, where I'll only be hanging like pieces of paper off of it, came with these little guys, but my shelf that can hold 10 pounds did not come with these. I feel like I should have put these in that shelf, but oh well. So I hung my shelf and my metal grid And it was about this time when I really wished I had laid out all my wall decor on the floor, so I could have just determined the layout first. But you know, I was just trying to get stuff up on the wall as quickly as possible, so I just had to decide where to put things as I go. So this is what we have so far. This is what I have left to hang up. What do you think, squirrel? What do you think?
The next day.
What if I sit like this? Ooh, and then you can see the squirrel. That's kind of nice. All right, let's get her done. I hung up the rest of my canvases with little thumbtacks because it was honestly the easiest way to do it, and I think it's still pretty effective. They're still on the walls. I added some fairy lights. I just had these 2 strands lying around the house, and added this hello sign that I got from Five Below. And then lastly, I did add this little painting of Georgia, which I made literally about 5 years ago. The little heart represents Athens, Georgia, which is where I went to college. Okay, I think I just need something there and something there, and this will be complete. Maybe I'll make something. All right, I'm happy with that. And bam, there you have it. Well, except for these 2 little empty spaces, but you know, I'll get something as I go shopping that I see I like. Or maybe I'll get inspired to make something. I kind of wish I had left a space for my head. As you can see, I block a lot of stuff no matter what I'm doing. But you know, hindsight, this is my first YouTube room, so we'll get it on the next one when I buy a house. And obviously this room is not done. It's still a work in progress, but I wanted to show you what I had so far. And let me just show you what the whole room looks like. Okay, so when you walk into the room, we put the bed up against this wall. Hey, squirrel. And then this is my beautiful background. We got this window for some natural light. It might be kind of weird. Steven's random Disney shelves. This is the little chair I've been sitting on. My 2 lights and tripod. And we hung these 2 bulletin boards from the floor up onto the wall. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can leave a comment if you like my background or if you have any suggestions of what I should add. And please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. Okay, bye. Now there's no cats in here. Who wants to say goodbye before my battery dies? Ah, you got it. Oh, Chai's here too. Okay, bye. Good job, girlies. You girls want some treats? We can have some treats. Angelique. No. You're playing with the stick and not the feather. Ah, it's gonna fall off the bed. No. No. Oh, you got it. Good job.